the magnificent jewelry glass box. Moser jewelry glass boxes hold significant importance, ranging from their historical and artistic value to their craftsmanship and collectibility. Moser Glass, founded in 1857 by Ludwig Moser in the Czech Republic, has a long and rich history. See my publication on Moser. Antique Moser jewelry boxes are artifacts from different historical periods and reflect the art and culture of their time. Many Moser pieces date back to the Victorian era and the Art Nouveau period, representing the design aesthetics and craftsmanship of those times. Moser Glass is renowned for its intricate designs, detailed engraving, and high-quality craftsmanship. The jewelry boxes often feature beautiful engravings, gilding, and enamel work. Each piece is handmade, making them unique. The attention to detail and the skills of the artisans are evident in the finished product. Moser jewelry boxes are often rare and highly sought after by collectors. Limited production runs and the age of these items add to their rarity and desirability. Due to their rarity and the brand's reputation, these jewelry boxes can appreciate in value over time, making them a good investment. The aesthetic appeal of Moser glass boxes, with their elegant and often ornate designs, makes them attractive display pieces. Beyond their practical use, these boxes serve as decorative art, enhancing the beauty of any space they are placed in. They provide insights into the social and cultural context of the time they were made, including the styles, preferences, and technological advancements of that era. Historically, owning such exquisite pieces was often a symbol of status and wealth. These glass boxes were designed to store and protect valuable jewelry, combining functionality with beauty. They are often passed down through generations, becoming family heirlooms that carry sentimental value. Moser is a prestigious brand known for its luxury glassware, and owning a piece from Moser signifies an appreciation for high-quality, luxurious items. The Moser brand has maintained its reputation for excellence over the years, adding to the desirability of older pieces. Moser jewelry glass boxes are treasured not only for their practical use, but also for their artistic, historical, and cultural significance. They represent a blend of beauty, craftsmanship, and heritage, making them valuable to collectors, historians, and art enthusiasts alike. Nuriel Gino Yazdinian,